Hello everyone. This is your FixItFast channel, and today we are going to show you how to activate any version of Windows 10 for free using CMD command prompt. This method works for all versions of Windows 10, and the best part is, you don't need any third-party software to do it. But before we get you started, please carefully note that this guide is for educational purposes only. It is in no way an endorsement for cracking software or violating copyrighted material. Ensure you use a valid Windows license key in order to fully comply with Microsoft's terms of services. The publisher is not responsible for any misuse or misinterpretation of the current guide. Now, that all said, let's get started. Step 1. Verify Windows activation status. Before we begin, let's check if your Windows is already activated. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Navigate to Update and Security Activation. If your Windows is not activated, you will see a message indicating so. Now, let's proceed with the activation process. Step 2. Create the activation script. Open Notepad on your computer. Copy and paste the activation script. The full script can be found in the description below. Click File, Save As. In the Save As type drop-down, select All Files. Name the file windows.cmd and save it to your desktop. Step 3. Run the activation script. Locate the activate.cmd file on your desktop. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. A command prompt window will open and execute the script. Wait for the process to complete. You should see a message saying, Windows has been activated successfully. Step 4. Verify activation. Go back to Settings, Update and Security Activation. You should now see Windows is activated. Additionally, the activation watermark at the bottom right corner of your screen should disappear. That's it. You should have successfully activated Windows 10 by now. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.